Hi guys, Dr. Drwendydearborne here from the Laws of Attraction in Action.com, and that's the laws plural of attraction in Action.com. Well guys, today we're going to be talking about how do I get to the how so that I can do what I need to do. And that's do what I need to do so that I can manifest what it is that I want to manifest in my life. Well, if you're listening to this on YouTube, please make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime I actually upload a video, you'll be notified. So that being said, guys, how do I get to the how so that I can do what I need to do so I can manifest what it is that I want to manifest in my life? Well, this morning I got up and I posted a meme on Instagram, and daily I post an inspiration meme on Instagram. And then I go through Instagram and I look at some of the people I'm following, seeing what they're up to, and I also read inspirational memes, and I do this daily. Today, there was a meme that I read, and believe me guys, I was trying to find it so I could read it to you, but Murphy's Law, I couldn't find it. But the gist of it said, just just do it. Pull yourself up by your bootstraps and just do it. And while I understand that sort of energy and that sort of motivation and inspiration from an external perspective and actually from an internal perspective can be helpful, more often than not it falls short. Because guys, you can actually be motivated to do something and really motivated but fall flat because you don't have part of the puzzle that's needed, or you don't have part of the energy that's needed. You can be inspirated, you can be inspired, but it can fall flat because you actually don't have part of the puzzle. You don't have everything that's required, which is one of the reasons why I do what I do, because I see the nuances that are missing in many of the things that we are being told. Everybody understands when they're told, pull yourself up by your bootstraps, or, you grab the bull by the horns and tussle and get it done. Just do it and stop procrastinating and finding excuses. Everybody understands this. And again, that can be a powerful medium to move you forward. However, if the nuance of desire is missing, it will fall flat. It will fall flat. You see, the thing that you say that you want, you need to be desirous of it. You need to really desire it. And you need to desire it and this truly is the nuance here, you have to desire it where you become passionate about it. Desire really is wanting. Passion is the fuel behind that wanting. So guys, if you are not passionate about the thing that you say that you want, if you are not impassioned, it's not going to happen for you. You have to be impassioned. You have to be passionate. Otherwise, you are going to say you just want it. It would be nice. It'd be nice to be rich. It'd be nice to have the car. It'd be nice to have the spouse. It'd be, nice to be in a relationship. It'd be nice to, have the money. It'd be nice. That's what it's relegated to. Nice, but nice in the regard to something that I can't have. Something that's not for me. And people can come along and say, oh look, just do it. Just get the job done. And you might actually get the job done, but everything falls flat because there is no passion. You see, the passion starts speaking of you and you investing in the thing that you want. You becoming a part of it. You have to be passionate. That's the nuance. You have to be passionate. If you want to lose weight, but it's not happening for you. You know, you're saying, you know, I've done 1 million diets and they haven't worked. Look, there's a nuance missing. It's not that you can't. There's a nuance missing. And that missing nuance is you being passionate and impassioned about what it is that you want. So guys, I just wanted to share that with you. You know, somebody saying, just do it. That's not enough. Sometimes even saying that to yourself, just do it. It's not enough. In some instances, yes. But in others, for many people, no. And it can leave you feeling a lot worse off than when you started. So guys, hopefully that makes sense. I'm Dr. Wendy Dearborne. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that button. And until next time, guys, peace.